Today we are conducting third experiment of DEC lab, that is parallel adder bar subtractor. For this experiment we require a 2 IC 7486, that is XOR gate. Another one IC is 7483, that is 4-bit parallel adder bar subtractor. To perform this, I will be explaining now some few examples for this. First, addition between 15 and 1. A is considered as 15 here, B is 1. That is represented in binary like this. 15 1 1 1 1, B as 0 0 0 1. If we perform addition between these two, we will be getting result as 15 plus 1 is 16. So sum carry bit is 1, remaining all the bits is 0. Similarly, for subtract operation, 15 minus 1, here for subtract we will be doing either 1's complement method or 2's complement method, but here we are following 2's complement only. 15 is represented as this, 1 as represented as this. Always while performing a subtraction, B need to be made as 2's complement. So A represent as it is, B take a 2's complement of this B part, that is 1 1 1 1, and then perform a addition between these two. You will be getting a result as carry as 1 1, sum as remaining bits as 1 1 1 0. Whenever you are getting carry as 1, whatever result you are getting in the sum bit, that is correct. That is 15 minus 1 is 14. So this is represented as 14. And similarly 1 minus 15. A is considered as 1 here, B is considered as 15. Take a 2's complement of for B part, that is 15. You will be getting 0 0 0 1. Then perform an addition between these two, you will be getting result as 0 1 0 0, carry as 0. Whenever you are getting carry as 0, take a 2's complement of this. So that is represented as minus 14. This is represented as minus 14. This is circuit diagram of parallel adder bar subtractor. 7483 IC perform addition between 4 bits, 4 bits. A is 4 bit, B is 4 bit. That is going to perform addition along with the carry, that is C in. This is given for the pin number 13. So here actually this IC perform addition between this A bit, B bit, C bit. For addition, no issues. For subtract, you need to get 2's complement. To get the 2's complement, we are using an XOR gate. Whenever we use XOR gate, when both the inputs are same, output is same, that is 0. Whenever either one of the input is 1, you will be getting output as 1's complement. Here XOR will give 1's complement output whenever one of the input is high. So here this line, if I make this as 1, this XOR gate will give 1's complement of this input, another input, this input. This is input connected to a switch box. Whenever we will be making this as 1, we will be getting output as 1's complement of this input. And for this 1's complement, we need to add 1 to get a 2's complement, that is added here. So same 1 is given to this XOR gate, same is given to this C in. This 1's complement output is added with 1 to get a 2's complement, and this 2's complement data is added with the direct A input to get the subtract result. During addition, this is considered as 0. Whenever this is considered as 0, output is similar to other input. There is no complement operation. Whatever input you will be giving, that only you will get as an output. And here also 0 is there. Direct input data plus 0 will get output as same as input. This input is added with the A input to get the sum result. We made a connection here. This is 7486 IC, this is 7483 IC. So here this 4 are B inputs, this 4 are A inputs, this is carry in. This 5 bits are the output, in this 4 bits are sum output, this is considered as carry. Right now I made a C in as 0, so it is going to perform an addition operation between A and B bit. I given an A bit as 0, all as high, and other bits as all as low. So output is 15, high, all as high. Now I am performing addition between 15 plus 1. So output is 16. This is carry is high. Now we will perform subtract operation. For that, mode need to be, control input need to be high. This need to be high to get a 1's complement in an XOR, and then finally 2's complement using in 7483. So here this 4 are A bit, this 4 are B bits. Now we will be performing operation between 1 minus 15. This is A input is 1, B input is 15. So output is minus 14. So this is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. So here also we are getting same 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Now the next is 15 minus 1. So A I given as a 15, B as 1. 15 minus 1 is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. That is 14.